After doing a text search in the Showcase 7 index page, you'll get the information organized as a large table. You can browse through the pages, increase the number of rows, and change the visibility of columns to your convenience. The columns are sortable by text or by numbers as they are configured to do so. If you click on any of the rows, you'll obtain some information in a red info box. That includes Chemio landing page, other names, INCHI, PubChem titles, PubChem landing pages, Chevy links, and PubChem patents links. Further down, some of the concepts are explained in some expandable boxes.